Hey there, dog lovers! Today we're diving into something every dog owner dreams about, creating such a powerful bond with your dog that you become their absolute favorite person in the world. Scene 2, the magical connection. We all want that magical connection. The one where your dog lights up the moment you walk through the door, chooses you over anyone else in the room, and looks at you like you're the center of their universe. Scene 3, becoming your dog's world. The good news? This deep bond isn't just reserved for dog whisperers or professional trainers. By understanding canine psychology and implementing a few consistent practices, you can become your dog's entire world. And stick around until the end because I'll share the one counterintuitive technique that transformed my relationship with my own dog completely, something most owners never discover. Before we jump into specific techniques, let's understand what's happening in your dog's brain when they bond with you. Dogs form attachment bonds similar to human children. They seek security, comfort, and reassurance from their primary caregivers. Scene 2. The love hormone research from universities like Emory and Duke has actually shown that dogs' brains release oxytocin, the same love hormone humans produce, when interacting with owners they're strongly bonded to. This hormone creates feelings of trust, safety, and deep connection. Scene 3. More than treats. What's fascinating is that studies using MRI machines have shown that some dogs' reward centers in their brains light up more strongly at their owner's scent than they do for food. That's the level of connection we're aiming for, where you literally become more exciting to your dog than their favorite treats. The foundation of any loving relationship is communication, and your dog is constantly trying to understand you. Dogs thrive on consistency and clarity. They want to know what makes you happy and what doesn't. Scene 2. Verbal cues and tone. Start by using consistent verbal cues and commands. Pick specific words for specific actions and stick to them. But remember, what you say is actually less important than how you say it. Dogs are experts at reading tone, so use a warm, positive voice for praise and a firm but never frightening tone for corrections. Scene 3. Body language and praise. Body language is even more crucial than your words. Dogs read subtle physical cues that you might not even realize you're giving. Maintain open, relaxed posture when interacting with your dog. Get down to their level when calling them to you. Make eye contact, but don't stare them down, which can feel threatening. The most important communication rule: when your dog does something right, make it crystal clear with immediate praise. This builds trust and makes your dog eager to please you again and again. One of the biggest mistakes dog owners make is assuming all interaction is equally valuable to their dog. The truth is, spending 20 minutes doing something your dog genuinely enjoys is worth more than hours of interaction they merely tolerate. Scene 2. Discovering what your dog loves. The key is to discover what your individual dog loves most. Some dogs are play-motivated and treasure a good game of fetch or tug-of-war. Others are more food-motivated and will bond through training sessions with high-value treats. Some dogs crave physical affection and simply want quality cuddle time. Scene 3. Becoming the source of joy. Pay close attention to what makes your specific dog's tail wag the hardest. Are they an explorer who loves discovering new trails? A social butterfly who comes alive at the dog park? A problem solver who thrives on puzzle toys you solve together? When you regularly engage in activities your dog genuinely loves, with your full attention, you become the source of their greatest joy. That's a powerful position to hold in your dog's heart. Technique number 3. Respect their personality. Just like humans, dogs have distinct personalities. Some are naturally Velcro dogs who want to be touching you constantly. Others are more independent and need their space. Some are bold and confident, while others are sensitive and easily overwhelmed. A crucial step in deepening your bond is accepting and respecting your dog's unique temperament rather than trying to change it. If you have a more independent dog, forcing constant cuddles will actually push them away rather than bringing them closer. If you have a sensitive dog, loud environments might stress them out, even if you're there. Learn to read your dog's subtle signals. The slight head turn when they've had enough petting, the lip licking when they're feeling anxious, the play bow when they're in a playful mood. When you respond appropriately to these cues, you demonstrate that you understand and respect them as an individual. Technique number 4. Be their safe harbor. One of the most powerful ways to strengthen your bond is to become your dog's reliable safe harbor in a sometimes confusing world. Dogs, especially those with anxious tendencies, need someone they can count on when they feel uncertain or scared. This means staying calm and confident in situations that might stress your dog out, like during thunderstorms, fireworks, at the vet, or in new environments. Your dog looks to you to determine if something is dangerous, a psychological process called social referencing. When you remain relaxed and positive during potentially stressful situations, you're telling your dog, "Everything's okay, I've got this." Over time, your mere presence becomes associated with feelings of safety and security. Technique number 5. Master the art of play. Play isn't just fun. It's a powerful bonding activity that mimics how dogs would naturally connect with their littermates and pack members. When you become your dog's favorite playmate, you're tapping into something deeply instinctual. The secret to great play is full engagement. Put your phone down, be present, and match your energy to your dog's. Technique number 6. Become the gateway to good things. In your dog's mind, the person who controls access to valuable resources holds a special place. By consistently being the provider of everything your dog values, food, walks, play, affection, access to exciting places, you become irreplaceable in their life. Section technique number 7. Train with trust. Duration 0006000000645, plus of 5s. Scene 1. Guidance and permission. Time code 00060000000061500. This doesn't mean withholding good things to make your dog work for them. Instead, it means creating small opportunities throughout the day for your dog to look to you for guidance and permission. Scene 2. Impulse control. Time code 00061500000063000. For example, have your dog sit before meals, wait at doorways until released, or sit before throwing their favorite ball. These brief moments of impulse control, followed by you providing what they want, creates a healthy dynamic where your dog sees you as both fair and valuable. Scene 3. Psychological loop. Time code 000630000064500. Over time, this consistent pattern, your dog checks in with you, you provide good things, creates a powerful psychological loop that strengthens your bond immeasurably. Technique number 7. Train with trust, not force. The training approach you choose has an enormous impact on how your dog feels about you. Modern research has conclusively shown that positive reinforcement methods, where you reward behaviors you like rather than punishing those you don't, build stronger bonds than force-based methods. When training relies on treats, praise, and play rather than fear or intimidation, your dog actually looks forward to learning with you. They become an eager participant rather than a reluctant one. The magic of reward-based training is that your dog learns to see you as both predictable and fair. They understand that good choices lead to good outcomes, creating a partnership based on mutual understanding rather than dominance. Even more powerful is that when you help your dog succeed rather than waiting for them to fail, you become a source of confidence. Your dog learns that trying new things with you is safe and rewarding, which makes them more likely to trust your guidance in all situations. Technique number 8. Daily micro-moments of connection. While dedicated training sessions and playtimes are important, the cumulative effect of small, positive interactions throughout your day can be even more powerful for building deep attachment. These micro-moments might include a brief 3-second pet as you walk by, a quiet word of praise when your dog is calmly lying down, a quick eye contact and smile when they look at you, or a gentle stroke before you leave the house. What makes these moments so effective is their authenticity and frequency. They show your dog that they matter to you even during ordinary moments, not just during designated dog time. Try to create at least 10 to 15 of these brief connections daily. The consistency of these small positive interactions builds a sense of reliability and belonging that forms the foundation of deep attachment. The Counterintuitive Secret. Now for the counterintuitive technique I promised, the one that transformed my relationship with my own dog completely. It's simple but powerful. Sometimes you need to be the one who needs them. Most of our relationship with our dogs is us providing for them. We feed them, train them, exercise them. But dogs, especially breeds with strong working or nurturing instincts, have a deep need to feel useful and needed. Try occasionally letting your dog comfort you when you're sad. Let them help you with appropriate tasks around the house. Show genuine appreciation when they alert you to something unusual. When you allow your dog to contribute to your well-being, not just the other way around, you create a balanced relationship where they feel valued, not just for what they receive from you, but for what they give to you. This mutual exchange transforms a caretaking relationship into a true partnership, and that's where the deepest bonds are formed. Conclusion: building that extraordinary bond with your dog, where you truly become their favorite thing in the world, isn't about grand gestures. It's about consistent, thoughtful interaction that respects who they are while meeting their deepest needs for security, enjoyment, and partnership. Remember that this deep connection doesn't happen overnight. It's built day by day, through hundreds of positive interactions that teach your dog that you are reliable, fair, fun, and safe. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into strengthening your relationship with your dog. And share this with someone who wants to become their dog's absolute favorite person. Thanks for watching, and remember, the time you invest in your relationship now will reward you with a bond that truly lasts a lifetime.